Alright, today I'm going to show you how to record multiple instruments using split screen and iMovie. First, you want to take your video clips and your music or recording, whatever you want to use in iMovie, and you want to drag that and import that into iMovie. From there, I have my music, which I'm going to drag down to the bottom. Then I'm going to take two of my video clips and put those in the recording. So you want to click on the top click, make sure it's highlighted, and then I'm going to click on the double square box, and I'm going to click on this window where it says cutaway, and I'm going to click split screen. So from there you can see where I have my two videos, one me playing saxophone, one on my bass. I can change this around by clicking on positions. I can make it go right, I could put it on top, on bottom, or just keep it as a default on left. Hope this helps.